Much of our heritage, culture, and economy stems from our seafaring and maritime history. Our ancestors' dependence on the sea to provide food, income, and trade was much more than livelihood. It was life in every sense of the word for people of the United Arab Emirates, way before the 7 Emirates decided to unite and form a country 50 years ago.
The donation from the United Arab Emirates to the United Way of Collier and the Keys is going to have tremendous benefits in a lot of ways. And it would take me a very long time to describe all of the different things that the funding that you've provided is going to allow us to do. We have got to actively help these reefs recover, which is what our partnership is about, is helping these reefs recover, learning from each other, because I know restoration is happening in the United Arab Emirates as well. And so we want to learn from the brilliant scientists that you have doing the same type of work. We want to share what we're doing so that we can all be better and make better progress together.
I think the UAE is a relatively young country, but its leadership is wholly committed to the conservation of the wildlife and environment. So we recognize that we need to collaborate on an international level because the environmental well-being impacts all of us from wherever we are in the world. The sea itself has no boundaries.
Why is it important to have these kinds of international partnerships? Because issues like climate change cannot be solved at the local level. I cannot address climate change at the local level. That is why we need to be having these conversations internationally so that we collectively can really try to make a difference.